According to a report by Business Standards, in 2023, the semiconductor industry in India was something around $34.3 billion US. Well, the same report suggests that by 2032, this industry will be $100 billion US. Just imagine the amount of jobs VLSI industry is about to offer you. We are looking for a flood of VLSI engineers. And therefore, I suggest instead of becoming an engineer, how about you become a VLSI engineer and transform your career? Hi, I'm Ritika from Truechip and I can help you make a booming career in this industry. At Truechip, we aim to empower you with the skills and knowledge you require to make a career in the VLSI industry. Our curriculum is designed by the top industry experts. They are not just the trainers, they are the engineers who are designing the future of tomorrow. We offer you one-on-one personalized classes so that you do not have to worry about a single question going unanswered. And that is not just all. You get hands-on learning experience so that you can understand all that the practical world of VLSI industry is looking for. With the promise of 100% job placement and an 8-digit salary, your career in VLSI is surely secure. Manav Rachna, in collaboration with Truechip, open endless gates of VLSI for you. With your potential and our promise, let's make the technology of tomorrow flaunt-worthy.